Let us now write a program which prints out multiplication table for any number entered by the user. So for this we need a variable and ask the user to enter the data, input, enter any number, and then after getting it, for I in range, so for multiplication table we will be starting with 1, 2 multiplication of 1 to 2 multiplication of 10. So for that we will be starting with 1 and stopping at to the 10. So if you add 10, the range function is up to 10 but not 10. So we should have to write 11. This means up to 11 but not 11. It will not include 11. And now print first the value in the number and then a string which is multiplication, or let me see the first, comma, get the value from the I, comma, and now is equal to symbol, comma, num multiplication into I. So it will print 10 times. Let us see the output, we will understand it better. Go to the run or press F5. Enter any number. Let us say 4. See how easy it is to program in Python. The multiplication of 4 is printed out. So this, like this symbol asterisk and is equal to is a string. So here we can change it. We can, like for better readability, we can say X, and now let us run it. Same 4. See here, see the difference. So this is how we print the multiplication table using for loop, and we can write the same program using while loop. So while loop is your assignment. Try the same program, same logic using the while loop. So meet you in the next video. Before going to the next video, please try it with the while loop. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.